So I was saying that answer will be it. So okay. So but in minus operator, we know that with a string and a number, so it attempts to convert a string to a number. So it attempts to convert a string to a number. So that is the reason in this case 5 can be converted to the number. So it will be giving you the opposite value, that is as 3. So answer will be 3 because plus operator it is not converting the string to a number. It is representing a string to a string, but here a string will be converted to a number. So answer is 3, and it is here it is 52. Okay. So,
Fast. Wait. Fast, fast. Next question. Wait. पहला कीवर्ड है। दूसरा और तीसरा भी ट्रू है। दोनों ट्रू। आंसर आंसर फास्ट।
so the this question is very important. That is the first question. First question has the output as that it is not as a certain output. Okay, it doesn't the first question doesn't give you the certain output. The code because it output basically if you want to know the output, it is global object. Output is a global object, and global object and output is a global object, or that can be in a window in and where and what kind of global object at window in window when we're using at window it is representing in a as a browser, and when we are using in uh, node.js it is representing it as global. Okay, so it is a typical thing to understand. Let's understand what is happening over here. The behavior of this keyword, actually the most important over here is there's one this keyword written over there. Okay,
आंसर
so
इट
this
में।
keyword is there.
व्हाट इज द आंसर?
So that was answer. I told you the answer already.
व्हाट?
That was that was the answer. Actually, that's what I was saying, that it is a little bit complex. And
आउटपुट
it is
व्हाट इज
answer.
आउटपुट?
This is the output.
दिस इज द।
If you can read global object,
ओके ओके।
global object is the output,
सो
and
यू
in global object also.
in next session you have to associate output is in slide second slide. Okay,
Okay,
or
so
just tell the
global
output,
object.
not explanation.
So okay, so global object, and it is not a proper global object. Actually, when we use a window in window, it is browser in window in a browser, and global it is coming in a Node.js. So actually, what is happening that when we use the behavior of this keyword inside a function, it depends on the function, what kind of function, because it is depending upon this keyword. This keyword is very important over here. So this keyword, it is showing a function. It's called with no explicit receiver, no object to the left of the when calling the function. This will refer to the global object. Okay. So in this code, there is one arrow function is also there. Arrow function is also there, and that arrow function represents that has no explicit receiver when it is called. So therefore, A is a function executed and refers to the global object. So basically, it is a callback, and console.log statement inside the output will output the global object. So basically, so it will output the global object because A is over here, then it is referring to over. It is referring towards over here. So that is the scene. Okay. So now next question. At next question we have the output of first one. It has uh, first output is it as true. Okay, first it is true, and second it is false
What? Why second is false? Just in two lines answer.
because this is the reason. Triple is equals to and double is equals to. So what happens in JavaScript? Double is equal to perform operator like type conversion. It performs the operation of a type conversion. So okay, as I was telling in the last slide also, when we have this with this property of time conversion, cohesion, COERCION, cohesion. Because, but match meaning that it converts the operands of a common type before comparing them. It compares the operator of a common type. So if, for example, x is a primitive value, it has a string over here. So and x is a string, x is a string. It represents a string. But x is over here. We have a string. But y is not a string. What is y? It is string primitive. X is a string, but y is a string object. It is a string object. It is a string object. Okay. So um, string object that is new string hello. When you use a double equals to operator to compare them, JavaScript will convert to a y using toString method. So there's one toString method also. It's a toString method. It's a different method. Okay. ToString method is a different method. Uh, JavaScript uses that. It's very important to understand. Okay. So the comparison of hello, for example, hello to hello, which is true over here is. So it is although it's comparing an object string and it is a normal primitive string. It is a primitive string. It is an object string. Okay. So it is converting hello to hello, basically hello to hello. So it will be giving it as giving as attached to. On the other hand, if we compare this one, so the triple equals to operator, slightly vice versa. I mean, the problem see, it doesn't follow the strict comparison. It provides a leniency that, for example, double is equals to x is a string, y is not a string, object string, y is a number. Even it has a y is also, even y is a number, then also it will be comparing both the things, and it can give allows you to give the maximized output. But we over here we do not have this properly. In this case, x and y are two different types. Okay, so comparison will always be false. So comparison will be false. Okay,
Okay,
so
next.
for example, because it's a string, an object string, so it cannot be provided properly.
Understand. Next. Probably this is the last question
Yes, this is the last.
for this session.
Yes, yes, yes. This is the last question.
Okay.
Basically, this is the first question.
Okay.
This is the first question. And if you want, I can wrap up with this session now, and this question can be in the session.
Yeah, please take.
This first question will be last. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
I will be covering up in the last session, and this is the last.
Answer is object.
It's wrong. Your answer is wrong. I'm sorry. Answer is
Wait,
string.
wait, wait. It's array.
Let me write. What?
It's
Which one you are answering?
I think type of Z is array.
Type of Z that I've boxed it out. No, it's not a type. It's not an array. The answer is this. I'm writing the answer. Answer is this. It is string.
String.
Answer
Okay.
is string over here. Yes. So let
Okay.
me explain, or I should leave it.
You should explain in two lines only.
Okay. What happens in JavaScript? There is one plus operator. When we use a plus operator with two arrays, see, X is an array. Everyone knows X is an array. Y is also an array. No problem. But or an array with any other object. So when or an array and any other object, both operands will be converted to string before concatenation occurs. Okay. Actually, what happens is one implicit type conversion over here. This is a external property. So you have to understand what is implicit type conversion. Uh, Actually, in implicit type conversion over here, implicit type conversion over here, what does it do in case x and y both are empty arrays? That means z will be the empty string. Actually, it is containing both the things
समझ
when we
गया,
use it
समझ
because
गया,
we are
समझ
using a
गया.
plus operator.
वो दोनों
So
को क्या
that is the
करेगा कि
reason it
एम्प्टी
is.
स्ट्रिंग ले लेगा और उसके बाद उसको स्ट्रिंग बना देगा. समझ गया.
Yes, yes.
So you
Okay.
will cover the
So
the rest question in next session. Okay.
okay. So thank you so much. If you like the session, please, and you can answer. You can ask another question, set of questions in the comment box or in the session as well. Thank you so much.
Welcome.